Oh, my wonderful busy homemakers. And how are you today? Now, today we're going to be talking about something a little bit different. Are you constantly putting off getting your worst kitchen cabinet organized or getting your pantry organized? Do you think it has anything to do with confidence? I am Deb. You are in the office with Deb. And today we are going to discuss confidence and what it has to do with home organizing. And yes, I said home organizing and getting your home together. Now, first of all, what do you need to organize in your household? What are you struggling with? Is it something as little as your cutlery drawer and the kids keep messing it up and get the forks with the spoons and spoons with the forks and knives? Or is it something big, like that pantry? And you're thinking, oh God, I gotta get that organized. Ugh, what am I gonna do? Well, now, there's been a lot of talk about the last week about confidence. I've noticed in just general talking. And I don't know why it's coming up, but it keeps coming up in conversation. One of the conversations was with one of my clients and we were just chatting. We were just chatting as friends for a little bit. We weren't working together at that time. We were just chatting in the DM. And she just says to me, I'm so frustrated. I just can't seem to get in my office and get in that file cabinet and get that straightened out. And she says, I'm working on this big presentation. I got to get that done. And she says to me, I don't even want to do the presentation. I don't feel up to it. She's like, I just feel blah. I don't have any confidence in myself. And I'm like, okay. So now she wasn't the only one talking about confidence, which was really weird, especially over the weekend when I was with my friends. I was like, why does confidence keep coming up? And it was all weird because it was all related to stuff in the house. One was, I don't even want to go in the garage. I know when come spring, I got to get in there. I got to get the stuff organized. I got to get the Christmas crap all put together, get it organized, decluttered. Screw it. I don't have the confidence to do that. And then we start talking about other stuff. I'm like, why does confidence keep coming up? And what people don't realize is that in home organizing, we do procrastinate. I did it too. Remember that worst kitchen cabinet? We did that challenge. I did it too. I had to finally get that cabinet chunked down into 4 pieces, and for the whole month, I finally got it done. But now comes time to organize again. Let's say you went to the dollar store. Oh, I found these cute little baskets. I love them. They're so cute. And you buy them. And you're like, what am I going to put in them? Because I know I do the same thing, ladies. I do the same thing when I'm in the store. Oh, this is cute. And I love it. And then I come home and think, am I going to use this in a drawer or what am I going to use it for? I mean, technically you can put your pens in there. Technically you could even hide your phone in there. Well, mine's a little too long for that. But when it comes to home organizing, the biggest struggle I hear is I got to get my work done first, my business, I got to deal with the family. I don't even have the confidence to tackle the projects that I keep putting off at home, whether it's the garage, the master closet, that comes up a lot. So confidence definitely is the key because when you're more confident, you're happy, the sun's shining, the kids are all good. You're dealing with everyday scenarios going on in the house. No, don't pick on your brother. I'm trying to get this done, and you're trying to get the plates washed, put away, and in the cabinet. So the confidence is the key. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but on the cloudy days, I don't know about you, but it's kind of like, your mood kind of goes down a little. That confidence kind of like, now, I don't know about you, but I need that sun. I love that sun. That sun gives me the confidence. Sometimes just talking to a friend can give you the confidence. Or now I know when my friends are in the mood and they're doing their home organizing, they've got their baskets, they're getting all their organizing done, or they're like, oh, I'm gonna go use this for something else. I just got an idea. I'm gonna put it in my drawer and make my drawer look real nice. And I know when I'm talking to that friend, I'm like, oh man, I wish I had your energy to get this organized and get my cabinet, the top shelf on my cabinet, organized and in baskets and everything nice and neat. Sometimes when you get off that phone with that friend, it's happened to me. I get in an organizing mood. It's like, oh, okay, what can I do now? You almost feel guilty for not organizing. So what do? I start organizing something. If I have 5 or 10 minutes, I'll take that time and I'll organize something. Now that friend has just given me the confidence and the motivation and maybe even the jealousy, so to speak, of her getting it done. And I don't want to be left behind. You know that FOMO? Fear of missing out, ladies? Does any of this ring true to you? I'm not seeing any comments, ladies, so if I don't say hi to you, please don't get upset with me. We don't realize how much that our friends can give us the confidence we need. Or sometimes just buying a nice little cute little basket at the store. You go to the dollar store. Hey, Karen, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you being here. You go to that dollar store and you find that basket and you come home and it's like, oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to find a place for it. You don't know what you're going to put in it, but you're thinking, okay, you're looking around the house. You go in your bedroom. Do I want to put it in my top dresser drawer and put my little earrings in it or my little trinkets or my bracelets? And you're just like, that trip to the store and that basket gave you the confidence. Isn't that weird how the confidence comes in strange ways? Sometimes, even if you're just sitting in the living room, say you're sitting on the couch, you're just taking a minute to chill out, and I don't know about you, but when I'm sitting on the couch, I'm looking at the room, I'm looking around, I'm looking at the drapes, the paints on the wall, and my knickknacks, and thinking, I'm looking at the shelf going, I need to get some new organizing bins. It's almost dangerous to sit on that couch because you start wanting to change things. You want to change the environment. You want to add new accessories. You want to add new organizing bins. Or maybe take them from one area, move them into another room. Sometimes you just sitting there, taking that mental break, gives you that confidence, and you're like, oh, I need a change. I need to do something. I don't like this the way it is. I'm tired of it. It's been there for years. I want to change. There's your confidence, ladies. It's funny how all that works, but confidence plays a really big role in getting organized. But it can also stop you dead in your tracks with that procrastination. Because sometimes the bigger the project, we sit there and go, okay, I'm not ready for this. And that's where we got to reel it back in and say, how can I get the confidence to start it? How do I get the confidence to start that pantry? Get the beans with the beans, get a bigger organizing basket, of course, get the beans with the beans, the peas with the peas, the rice with the rice, the wheat germ with the wheat, with the chia seeds and all that. Now, that's where we sit there and go, whew, that's a lot of work. Now, I've also made it easier for you guys, for you ladies, I should say gals. I've got my pantry mini course, step by step, boom, 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 boom. You don't have to think about it. It won't take that much time at night because I know you're busy. I know you're running your businesses. I know you're running your family. Some of you got kids running around. You're running to doctor's appointments. I know we all have the medical issues in the family. Somewhere is going on. I get that. But if you do want an aesthetically pleasing pantry, ask me about my pantry course. Get rid of that overwhelm. You can get it done soon. All right, ladies, I also want to mention, don't forget that chili freebie ebook because I'm warning you right now, that is going down at the end of February. I am taking that down because come March, we're moving into spring. What happens in the spring? Spring cleaning. Oh, yes, we're going to start talking about that. I'm deciding on whether I'm going to do a challenge with that or not. It won't be a big one. Don't worry. I'm not going to force you to wash walls or anything. I might have a little, it might be a little interesting. It might not be the spring cleaning challenge you thought it was. It might be a little bit more interesting. But anyway, invite your friends to the group. You might need an accountability partners, ladies, for the spring cleaning challenge. All right, and if anybody's interested in spring cleaning, let them know. Send them over here. And we will be talking more later in the group about confidence, decluttering, home organizing, and we will be getting to spring cleaning. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Give me a hashtag replay. If you have any questions, anything, drop them in there. Drop them in the comments. Thank you so much. Bye.